Before you spend your money on Sculptique Lymphatic Drainage Capsules, you'll want to hear this because the marketing sounds impressive, but the real picture is more complicated. Sculptique claims to reduce bloating, puffiness, and fluid retention with a so-called maximum potency formula that supports your body's natural lymphatic cycle, which sounds great on paper, but when we look deeper at user feedback and platform signals, several red flags showed up that buyers should not ignore. There are multiple complaints on Trustpilot where customers directly label the product and company as a scam, not because of one small issue, but due to billing behavior and support problems. Some buyers report being enrolled into auto-ship subscriptions without clearly realizing it at checkout, followed by refund difficulties and delayed responses from customer service. A few even state they had to contact their banks to block further charges, which is always a serious warning sign with any supplement brand. We also noticed that the same product images appear across different websites under different brand names, which weakens brand credibility and suggests possible white label reselling without transparency. The sales pages push aggressive bundle deals like buy 2 get 1 free or buy 3 get 2 free, along with bold percentage improvement claims, yet there is no clearly published, verified clinical trial data backing those exact numbers. That doesn't automatically mean the capsules cannot help anyone, but it does mean the claims are stronger than the publicly verifiable proof. Overall, Sculptique Lymphatic Drainage Capsules sit in a gray zone, attractive promises, but mixed trust signals and repeated billing complaints. If you're considering it, read the fine print, watch the subscription terms, and weigh the risk before ordering instead of relying only on the promotional claims.